Hi Zesties, let's make a $5 Walmart tofu salad. This costs $3.50. This costs $3, so I'm gonna use half of it. And you know what? I don't know how much the veggies and seasonings and stuff that I'm using are cost overall, but I think that it's fair to call this a $5 salad, okay? So let's cut the tofu up first. And to all my tofu haters out there, you're wrong. You're just wrong. Team tofu. Okay. I decided to cut my veggies up before frying the tofu because I want to get in the habit of doing all this before I start cooking, so I don't have to do it while I'm cooking. You know what I mean? I should have got a cutting. Well, you know what? I can always get a cutting board. I bet you Dollar Tree sells cutting boards. I cannot live without cilantro. What about you guys, my wonderful zesties? Are any of you the people who say cilantro tastes like soap and it's so terrible? Because I really want to understand that. If anyone could explain that one to me, how it tastes like soap to you, or how it's terrible, or whatever. Okay, I'm done. I don't care. Okay, so I chopped up cilantro, green onion, and two Thai chili peppers. Ran out of spicy mayo, so I thought I might as well show you guys what I do. This is Kewpie mayo if you don't know. This is I don't even know what this is. I think this is the original Sriracha. I started getting it when I couldn't find the original one, and then I kept getting it because I had been told that they changed the Sriracha flavor or something. And I just like this one. Okay, now shake it up. And look at the color. I think the color is pretty good. Let me look inside to make sure. Yep, okay, looks very good. Okay, so I am going to start the process of frying my tofu. Put my tofu in the container. Put some sesame oil in there. And put this in there. Yum, yum, yum. This is a Filipino pre-seasoned breading mix that I particularly like. Whew. Made me cough and sneeze. I barely have, you know what, I have such little in here, I might as well just use it all. I don't really think there's harm in over breading it or anything. And if there is, whatever. I don't care. Okay, the tofu is extra breaded, and I'm just going to leave it over here. Tofu going in the air fryer. Salad is going in the bowl. Now we're going to season the salad, and yes, like I've said before, this is a seasoned channel, okay? If you don't like it, there's a ton of unseasoned ones out there that you will like more. Alright, Zesties. Ground ginger, black pepper, gochujaro, white pepper, a little bit of MSG, just a little. Some brown sugar. Okay, now let's shake it up. Now for my liquid seasonings, pickled ground chili and garlic. Not too crazy because this is actually spicy. Some spicy chili crisp. You know what time it is, actually? I think it's time to prepare the sesame seeds, because it just is. I'd rather have my seeds ready than not. Let's shake it up, and it's time to air fry the tofu. By the way, the tofu kind of like broke up and clumped up, and I forgot that it easily breaks up, so it's better to massage it in with your hand than shake it up like I did, but whatever. Putting the stuff that came with it. Putting my veggies. Oh, looks so lovely, zesties. And you know what? I'm gonna wait to like put the dressing that it comes with in because I don't want it to get soggy or anything. As always, I'm gonna hit it with some spray. Hold on, there's something up here. It is not behaving in the way that it usually does, and it's like sticking too hard, but oh well, you know what? Let's give it some more time. Maybe it needs to like harden up before I can do that. Like I said, massage it with your hands because tofu breaks up, and I forgot about that and kind of messed it up, but whatever. It seems to be a little harder for me to concentrate while I am recording. Okay. My tofu pieces have hardened up a little bit, which makes them easier to move around, but I felt that this would be better to mix them up. I'm applying oil again, just because I'm trying to get like every, surface covered. Okay. Now I'm leaving it alone till it's done. Actually, you know what? I think we are close enough to the finish line that I can add this. I don't add quite all of it because I feel that it's a lot. Oh, you know what? Let's do it like this. Oops. Try to like poke a hole in the middle to put all the tofu. Ooh, zesties, this looks so good. I want to eat it so bad. Okay, well it took a little longer than I thought for the tofu, but hey. It looks really nice and fried and delicious. So, doesn't that look nice? That's that crispy fry. I love it. Oopsies. I cannot wait to eat this, zesties. I really dilly cannot wait to eat this. Yeah. Now the final touches. That spicy mayo. So by the way, this is vegetarian, not vegan, because I use Kewpie mayo, just in case anyone is wondering. And now, the sesame seeds. Actually, wait, let me see. Are these cool enough for me to touch? Because when I pour them straight out of the thingy, it kind of ends up looking like weird. Yeah, I go extra with the sesame seeds. Don't care if you don't like it. You know what? Whatever. Let's just put them all on there. You guys have to learn. You guys have to like know me eventually. You know, I shouldn't be acting like, oh, I'm not gonna do this or that because maybe everyone doesn't like it, and that's just something I do. Or you know, you have to like my style. It's my way or the highway. Oh. What do you guys think, Zesties? I think that looks really, really good. Oh, it smells so good too. I'm gonna eat this really hard right now.